today they have submitted the report, and the committee which was constituted under the chairmanship of senior IS officer Mr. Subhas Das. So I believe they have definitely recommended some of the most practical point there, and to execute the recommendation in the field of action, the government of Assam, we have constituted a committee comprising of 3 senior ministers and under the leadership of Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma and 2 other senior members like Sandaman Patwari, Industry Minister and Agriculture Minister. Because this committee will go in details about the report, and whatever recommendation is there in the report, that would be definitely discussed with the concerned department, and accordingly they will develop the roadmap for the future implementation. That's the spirit, and I am especially thankful to the committee because within a short span of time, this committee have worked hard and they have received so many representations, so many suggestions across the state and from the different experts. So I believe this committee will be, their report will be definitely very much meaningful and fruitful for all of us and to revitalize the state economy. Thank you.
Where more stress has been given in this sector? So in which sector more stress has been given by the government?
Industry, agriculture, these are the sector, will be priority sector because in our state, as you know, agroeconomy is our future. And in the MSME sector also, as you know, Government of India, under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, when he declared 20 lakhs, crore package for the country to revive our economy. So this is a golden opportunity for us, and that is why through this report we'll try to take the advantage in the best possible manner. Mananiya Hangbadik Bondhu.
The high-level committee constituted by Chief Minister of Assam, Sarbananda Sonowal, in order to revitalize the state's economy, has submitted its report to the Chief Minister at the Chief Minister's residence today afternoon. The report has stressed on sectors like industry, agriculture and the MSME. The Chief Minister said that the report is in line with the 20 lakh crore package announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and the suggestion that has been put forward by the high-level committee will help in bringing a boom in the state's economy, which has suffered immense loss because of the COVID-19. With video journalist Ashok, I am Aniruddha Bhakat, and this is Republic Media Network.
Hi everyone, I'm Sucharita Kukreti. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.